Welcome to Smart SEO Booster, the ultimate WordPress plugin designed to supercharge your website's search engine optimization. If you want higher rankings, better visibility, and actionable insights, this plugin is built for you. Let's explore what makes Smart SEO Booster stand out. First, Advanced SEO Analysis. With over 20 points of comprehensive auditing, the plugin checks your entire site's SEO health. It reviews titles, meta descriptions, keyword usage, content length, readability, and heading structure. It even validates internal and external links, ensuring your site is optimized from every angle. Next, Content Quality Assessment. Smart SEO Booster analyzes word count, readability, and structure. It highlights opportunities to improve your content so search engines and your readers love it. Keyword optimization is seamless. The plugin scans your titles, meta descriptions, and body content to ensure your keywords are placed effectively. No more guessing. You'll know exactly where improvements are needed. Image optimization is built in. From alt text validation to file size checks, Smart SEO Booster ensures your visuals are SEO friendly without slowing down your site. Now, let's talk about the interface. Inspired by Google's PageSpeed Insights, the dashboard is modern, clean, and color-coded. Green means good, yellow means caution, and red means action required. It's intuitive, responsive, and fully integrated into your WordPress admin panel. Technical SEO is another strength. The plugin validates Robots.txt, checks SSL certificates, and ensures canonical URLs are set correctly. It also detects Schema Markup and verifies social media tags like Open Graph and Twitter cards. This means your site is ready for both search engines and social platforms. Security and performance are never compromised. Smart SEO Booster follows WordPress coding standards, sanitizes inputs, and optimizes database queries. It's lightweight, fast, and safe. Getting started is simple. Install the plugin from your WordPress admin, activate it, and run your first audit with a single click. You'll instantly see your SEO score, detailed recommendations, and a clear roadmap for improvement. Schema Markup support is powerful. Whether you're running a blog, a local business, an FAQ page, or an organization site, Smart SEO Booster automatically applies the right schema type. This boosts your visibility in Google's rich results. And the reporting is comprehensive. You'll see overall SEO scores, individual metric scores, and actionable recommendations. Progress tracking helps you monitor improvements over time. Smart SEO Booster is translation-ready, mobile responsive, and built for scalability. It's not just a plugin, it's your complete SEO partner. Ready to transform your WordPress site? Download Smart SEO Booster today. Run your first audit and take the guesswork out of SEO. With Smart SEO Booster, better rankings are just one click away.